Welcome to FARLAND Classic Restoration, where passion meets precision. For over 34 years, we've been dedicated to bringing rare and beautiful European classics back to life, one detail at a time. These trophies represent more than just awards. They tell the story of craftsmanship, care, and countless hours spent preserving automotive history. From concours-winning Ferraris to beloved vintage Porsches, every car that passes through our doors gets the same attention to detail, whether it's a full frame-off restoration or a careful preservation of its originality. We understand the personal connection that comes with owning a classic, whether it's a family heirloom or the dream car you've waited years to restore. We'd love to help bring your vision to life. Our team is here to guide you through every step of the restoration process, from initial evaluation to final delivery, with transparency and integrity. You can reach us at FARLAND Classic Restoration by phone at 303-761-1245 or visit our website farlandcars.com to learn more and see some of our completed projects.